Hey everyone, so if your Typeform email notifications are not working, yeah, you're not alone. Sometimes responses come in, but you don't get any email alerts, which can be pretty frustrating. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix it step by step. First, open your form inside Typeform and go to the Connect or Settings section, depending on your layout. Then look for notifications. You want to make sure email notifications are actually turned on. Next, double check the email address where notifications are being sent. I mean, sometimes there's a typo or it's sending to an old email you don't use anymore. Now, this one's pretty common. Your emails might actually be going to spam or promotions. So, yeah, open your inbox and check those folders just to be sure. After that, go ahead and submit a test response to your form. This helps confirm if notifications are working or still missing. If you're using integrations like Zapier or email tools, make sure they're properly connected. Sometimes notifications get routed through those instead of direct emails. Also, yeah, check if your Typeform account has hit any limits. Some plans may restrict notifications or responses, especially on free tiers. If nothing's working so far, try turning notifications off and back on again, or remove and re-add your email. It sounds simple, but it can fix hidden glitches. So yeah, that's basically it. These steps usually fix the Typeform email notification issue pretty quickly. If it's still not working, you might want to contact Typeform support directly. Hopefully this helped. Thanks for watching.